I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to cancel your HBO Max subscription, follow these steps to do it smoothly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the HBO Max website and sign into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account section, look for the subscription area. Click on Manage subscription to proceed. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. You may need to confirm your choice, so be sure to read any messages carefully. Note, if you see a pause option instead of cancel, make sure to select cancel to end your subscription completely. Step 5. Check confirmation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox for this message to ensure your subscription has been cancelled. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.